Today is 31st of March, Monday. So I am planning to go to Kanazawa using Okiroku Shinkansen. So this is another bullet train company in Japan. So after visiting Kanazawa, if I get time, so I will visit another bullet train route. So that I will decide later based on my time. So now I am leaving this my beautiful hostel. So Wise Owl Hostels. So yesterday I have put my clothes in washing machine and dryer. So I have worked for maybe 1 hour on my SAP. So in my laptop in the ground floor. So it is excellent hostel. So all facilities are there, but they are sharing. It's fine. We have to share washrooms, bathrooms, and we have to share washing machine. So everything is common area and kitchen. So everything is sharing. But this is very busy area and very prime and very costly area is Shibuya. So getting a hostel room for 4,000 per day, 5,000 per day is actually very economical, very affordable. So Shibuya station is only 5 minutes from here. So from Shibuya we can go to Tokyo, and from Tokyo we can take JR Tokyo station. So from Tokyo station we can take JR Shinkansen trains, and we can go entire whole country we can reach within 3-4 hours most of the parts. So like places like Hokkaido, so it will take 8 hours because Hokkaido doesn't have any Shinkansen train. From Hakadote to Sapporo there is no train. So till Sapporo, till Hakadote, Hayabusa train is there. It will take 4.5 hours. So even we can go to Osaka, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, Kyoto, Kobe, all these places using our JR Pass and Shinkansen bullet trains. So that is awesome experience. So I am going to bus stop. So there are already buses going to Shibuya station. See, every bus is going to Shibuya station, 41, 42, so now 32. So I'm just missing them with a couple of minutes. So anyhow, buses will come in high frequency, so no need to worry. I can take a next bus. So I have a Suica pass it is called. So that is valid in all metro bus, all buses in Tokyo. So I will ask if okay, I have missed it. So I will take a next bus, no problem. So this is a bus stop. Osaka UE is a bus stop name. So we can see the timetable. So I will take next bus. So the bus will come from this direction. So I think it is already coming. I will take and I will reach. Yeah, it is coming. Shibuya in 5 minutes. So from Shibuya it is very easy. I can take Yamanote line and go to Tokyo station. So I can reserve seats in Shibuya itself for Shinkansen bullet train. So then Yamanote line and Tokyo. So bus is coming. So I just boarded this bus. So using my Suica pass. So I have entered. So no need to buy any ticket. So Suica pass you can take for 3,000 yen. There is a deposit of 1,000 and I think 500 yen. So we can get back the deposit. So it is valid in all metro cities, metro trains and buses local in Tokyo, and I think also in Osaka and other cities. So it is very convenient. So this is the bus which I have taken from my hostel. This is bus number 5. So this is the Shibuya bus stop. So now I have to take train to Tokyo, Yamanote line to Tokyo Central Station. This is Tokyo's ticket office. So I have reserved tickets to Kanazawa, from Kanazawa to Takasaki to Niigata, and Niigata to Tokyo return in the night 8:20. So I reach my hostel around 9 o'clock. So I can have dinner and go back to hostel. So this is my plan. This is the plan for today. I am standing in Yamanote line, traveling inward. It is very busy. See, Monday morning. So I have to stand for 25 minutes. So with all Tokyo people, Tokyoians. So this is Yamanote line. The train is full busy with office players and school players. So everyone are standing. used kids and everyone.
The next station is Takanawaki Hamamatsu.
This is Tokyo suburb.
JY
Tokyo, sorry, central Tokyo, not suburb.
The doors on the left side will open.
You can see the buildings, high-rise buildings, so everywhere. So I can't see any slums or any huts. Small houses or rubbish on the roads or dust or pollution or drainage leakage. So all perfect. So this country is in Asia and developed like anything. It is number 2, I think number 3 now in the world in GDP. So from past several years, it has been number 2 after US. But China, like maybe last 4, 5, 6 years back, a decade back, China has overtaken Japan in economy GDP. So now India, I think India will overtake Japan within a couple of months. But their standard of living is very high compared to Indians. So, and their population is very less, like 12 crores. Our population is 1.4 billion. So that makes a huge difference.
東京お出口は左側です。The next station is 東京 JY1. The doors on the left side will open.
I have to get down at Tokyo. So my train is at 8:40. So now it is 8:20. So I have only 20 minutes to go to. So I have got down from Yamanote line. So now I am in Tokyo Central Station. Tokyo Station is called. So I have to go to JR lines. So Shinkansen lines. So you can see right side is Shinkansen. Tohoku, Yamagata, Akita, Hokkaido, Hokuriku. Okay, I have to take Hokuriku. So I have to go this way. If I am not wrong, I have to go this way. So I can ask any ticket collector or information center. But I don't have sufficient time. So this is Shinkansen. So this is Hokkaido, Yamagata, Akita, also Hokuruku. So I think I have to go this way. I was just a bit panicking because I thought platforms will be far, but I have asked the ticket service center. So it is 23, platform number 23, but not just at 8:26 train, but at 8:41 you can see train number 555. So platform number track 23. So that train I have to take 8:41 AM. So on 31st of March. Hakutaka line. So this is platform number 20 and 21. So and this is both platform. So I have to go further. So this is the area where we can sit if we come early to Shinkansen. So this is bottles, self-vending machines. So we can see everywhere. So now you can see. So I have to go this way, 22 and 23. So 23, 8:41, Kanazawa, Hakutaka. So it is very clear. So no need to ask anyone actually. So I will take this lift because people are coming. So I have reached platform 23. So my train is ready. You can see 555. And luckily it is just my coach car number is 5. So it is just beside escalator. So my seat number is 80. So I am just drinking tea. This is 250 rupees. So 550 yens. So I will drink tea. This is very good tea in Beck's Coffee. So I will just board the train now. So it is 3-hour journey to Kanazawa. So people are waiting. So I have also waited in the queue. But I directly go. I can go after them. No problem. So this is the train which will start at 8:41. So this is about my. So this you can see other bullet trains. So that is Hayabusa. So standing on other platforms. So that is going.